Hi Oilers, I'm Harry, your creative director for OilerTV Yearbook. Thanks to Mrs. Williams at the library, we have a copy of the 1961 yearbook. This edition features the theme of record vinyls. There are 4 different records in this yearbook, each featuring a different dialogue. Let's take a trip into a different time in Oiler history, to a time where culture was of different ideas, thoughts, and tastes. Very different from today's standards. Thanks to some software and tech, we were able to digitize the sound. Let's have a listen.
As the years pass on, one by one, may this annual, a reflection of sight and sound, bring to mind many memories of pleasant association of your years at Oilerville. These are your friends and your sounds, the living sounds that make Montebello Senior High a great school among schools, through its students, teachers, and administration. To you, the graduating senior, we dedicate this golden key.
Mighty, mighty Oilers.
Mighty, mighty Oilers.
Everywhere we go.
Everywhere we go.
People want to know.
People want to know
who we are.
And so the first day of school begins.
It is a real pleasure for me to welcome all of you to another year at Montebello Senior High School. Your summer activities of surfing, camping, or just plain loafing should have prepared you well for this academic year.
Welcome to Oilerville. I would like to extend a hearty welcome to all the newcomers. I hope that your future years at MHS are filled with as much happiness and excitement as we, the old Oilers, have experienced here. In the past, the students of MHS have achieved many high
Even though the summer fun was over, it was real good to feel the warmth and friendship, even the pushing and shoving and noise that once again filled the halls at Oilerville. Well, I guess it wouldn't be a normal passing period without those few human missiles orbiting through the halls at the last minute. You ever notice how quiet the halls are when classes are going? There's a familiar figure in the halls, a girl with call slips. Let's follow her and see where she's going. One for the typing class. And now across the hall to...
Por favor, Ramón.
Ya agruparán los fondos del Barcelonés.
Al Barcelonés, ¿verdad?
Al.
¿Por qué pues al? Otra vez.
I think I spoke to you in regard to the beginnings of the age of Pope. You remember we called it the age of elegance and the age of classicism, and we had given the reason.
Our last call slip is for Mr. Patterson's print shop. Let's go in and see what he's printing. I should have known. Football programs. Flags flying, batons twirling, and pretty legs flashing under swishing skirts, with the rigettes, the bannerets, and the majorettes. And win or lose, we were always proud of our football team. Speaking of pride, there was more than enough for Mr. Rosner's remarkable band that won many awards this and every year and received the honor of marching in the Rose Parade.
Second down, 4 to go.
Music for the dance. Whether it be the homecoming dance, Christmas dance, prom, or whether it be the Esquires. Or just a record in the jukebox. It's a dance. And what is the magic of dance? I don't know about the boys, but I'm sure each song, and sometimes each dance, has a special meaning for the girls. And speaking of girls, mustn't forget their extravaganza, hijinks. Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey, and Cecil B. DeMille have nothing on Mrs. Desitoff and her girls when it comes to putting on the greatest show at Oilerville. Everybody looks forward to Bandorama. On stage, everybody. Okay, let's take the beach scene from Gidget, Moondoggie and Gidget, okay?
Look, the waves are all lit up.
Yeah, it's the campfires.
It's spooky here at night without the surfers.
Your hand is cold.
It's chilly here.
Okay, cut.
Here.
Okay, cut. And as the year progressed, we had a calendar full of activities. Mr. Cook's wonderful choir, Mr. Sanford's award-winning speakers, the Pasadena Playhouse competition, Easter week, track season, baseball, tennis, and golf competitions. And there were other activities.
Hey, Chuck, this is really something. Cutting down the senior tree. We'll be heroes.
What's this senior tree jazz?
Why, that's what we're doing, isn't it? 'Cause this is a senior tree.
Senior schmenior. This is so I can see those crazy chicks in A building when I'm in class in B building.
Oh.
Taking one last backward glance, hearing the murmur of the gang before school, the sighs, the impatient tapping of the pencil, the gardener's lawnmower, the daydreams, the exams, grades, the authoritative clunk of the time clock, nutrition, lunch, and the strains of pomp and circumstance, accompanied by the last empty, I'm sorry it's all over feeling. Whatever you do, wherever your path may lead, make us proud, seniors. Make us proud.
Golden flood, Montebello, dear Ohio, where the blue and gold flags fly, sheltering splendid enterprise, 'neath California's summer skies. Montebello, dear Ohio.
There you have it, Oilers. Let's get back to 2025 and 2026, where Golden Key Yearbook is now putting together the new edition for the 2026 year. Don't wait, purchase your copy now with our early bird yearbook sale. Welcome to your new school year, Oilers.